Hi, and thanks for joining us at Jmcd to learn more about the life of a manuscript. Have you ever wondered what happens after you submit a manuscript? Every journal is different, so here's how it works at Jmcd. The first review is provided by the editorial assistant who goes through a checklist for each submission to determine if the submitted paper meets the submission criteria. If it doesn't, the paper can be rejected without a review. The second review is completed by the editor-in-chief. The editor-in-chief provides an initial review of the manuscript to determine if it is a good fit for the JMCD readership and check the overall quality of the submission. Again, at this stage, the manuscript can be rejected without a full review. If the editor-in-chief deems that the paper is worthy of a review, the editor-in-chief then sends it to an associate editor who, following a review of the paper, will determine which reviewers will be invited to assess the manuscript. We generally select a minimum of 2 reviewers to conduct a blind review of the manuscript. After the reviewers provide comments regarding the manuscript, the paper is then returned to the associate editor who will make a recommendation to the editor-in-chief regarding the manuscript. At this point, the editor-in-chief conducts a more comprehensive review of the manuscript, the reviewer's comments, and the associate editor's recommendation in order to make a final decision regarding the manuscript in order to send a disposition letter to the corresponding author. The editor-in-chief has 4 choices: accept, minor revisions, revise and resubmit, or reject. Most of the time, the editor-in-chief agrees with the associate editor, but not in every instance. Papers with a revise and resubmit decision will go through that process again until the paper is either accepted or rejected. Papers that receive a reject decision are offered the opportunity to have a one-time session with a JMCD consulting elder to review the reviewer's comments and discuss possibilities for revision and submission to another journal. They cannot subsequently submit the same paper to JMCD. We hope that this information is helpful to you in learning more about the review process with JMCD. If you have further questions, please visit our website at jmcdonline.org or email the editorial assistant at editorial.assistant@jmcdonline.org. Thank you.